Simon, and today I'll be talking about gender really matters to children when choosing STEM subjects. So the story is that fewer girls are choosing STEM subjects, which consist of science, technology, engineering and mathematics. These subjects have become less popular over the past years for girls, but what is really causing this to happen? Well, we have everything here, or you can check our website. Well, according to most 18-year-olds, they claim to find STEM subjects boring, and 34% of girls believe that career advisors are pushing young women into non-STEM subjects. So what can be done to prevent this? Well, there are more STEM fairs such as Big Bang Fair or places to go like the Science Museum. There are many websites to encourage kids online as well as after-school clubs. But should there be something else done? Well, maybe teachers could announce these opportunities more often, or maybe have more school visits to places, maybe give them some recommended websites as well. What else do you think could be done? Why don't you tell your school what you think on their online website? Now we will be interviewing a few teachers about what they think on the subject. Now we have Mrs. Anderson, who's a teacher in mathematics department, to ask about what she thinks of the situation. Why do you think girls are less into doing mathematical jobs now?
I think the main problem is that it's public perception. It's perceived as a male-dominated area where lots of men in the department and not as many females. We're quite lucky in this department because we have quite a lot of females as well as the men. I think actually the girls lack a lot of self-confidence in maths.
Do you think there's anything that can be done to solve that problem?
I think it comes down to the attitude. We need to change the girls' attitudes towards the maths and get the parents involved, get them to encourage girls to think about taking on careers in maths. And I think that starts with getting them at a young age before they develop this fear of maths.
What would you like to say to any girls considering a job in STEM?
I'd say go for it. Don't let anything get in your way. Just set your mind to something and do it. You are as good or even better than the boys at it. So go for it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now we have Miss Yates and Miss Lesters, who are both science teachers at Titus Salt School, to ask them what they think about the situation. Why do you think girls are less into science jobs now?
Well, actually, we think this statement is incorrect. Girls are taking science subjects now more than ever before. So take our Year 12 physics class, for example. There are 10 girls and 17 boys, which is over a third of the class which are girls. If we'd looked at that 10 years ago, that number would have been dramatically less. So things are definitely moving in the right direction. However, we still believe the numbers are lower than they should be, and we want to see that equality.
How do you make your science lessons fun?
Well, I'm going to switch this over, put it across to you. How do you think your science lessons are fun, or could be made more fun, or could be make you more interested in wanting to take science further?
Well, we do quite a lot of practicals, which are really, really fun. But I think it'd be nice to do more trips and get to do more involvement, like the Big Bang Fair that was earlier on in the year. Do you think there's anything that could be done to solve these problems?
So we believe that having a female role model is very important in changing kind of stereotypes. So for example, in physics, 50% of our teaching staff is female. In chemistry, over half of them are female as well. If we could expand this to other STEM subjects, so for example, if we had a female resistant materials teacher or a male food tech teacher, then it's switching up the stereotypes. It could break those down and get more girls into male subjects.
What would you say to the girls out there watching this?
I'd say the thing that you need to do is go out there, choose the subjects that you like and that you enjoy, not the ones that are kind of the preconceived ideas that girls should be doing. Go for what you like and what you enjoy.
Thank you very much.